Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make green tea. First, always start with high-quality loose-leaf green tea. It truly makes a difference in taste. Next, heat your water to the ideal temperature of 175 degrees Fahrenheit or 80 degrees Celsius. This prevents bitterness. Finally, measure 1 teaspoon of tea leaves for every 8 ounces of water you plan to brew. This ratio ensures a balanced and flavorful cup. Once your water is at the correct temperature and your tea leaves are in the infuser, it's time to steep. For most green teas, a steeping time of 1 to 3 minutes is perfect. Lighter green teas might need less time, while some robust varieties can handle a bit more. The key is to avoid oversteeping, as this will quickly lead to a bitter flavor. Always remove the tea leaves promptly when the steeping is complete. After steeping, your delicious green tea is ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately to experience its full aroma and flavor. A wonderful benefit of good quality green tea is that many varieties can be re-steeped. You can often get 2 or 3 excellent infusions from the same leaves. Remember to store any unused tea in an airtight container, away from direct light, to maintain its freshness. To truly master green tea, don't be afraid to experiment with various types like sencha, gyokuro, or matcha to discover your personal favorites. Each offers a unique flavor profile. Using a ceramic teapot can also enhance your brewing experience by providing more even heat distribution. And hey, while you're enjoying your tea, remember that life's too short for cheap socks. For other great deals and that darn tough socks link, check out the description below. Happy brewing!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.